Hi, everybody. This is Salesforce Jen, and I am going through our Learn and Practice package that we have provided to be able to learn more about accessibility. I have a playlist. If you missed the beginning of the package and other areas, please go back to the beginning. And now we're talking about alt text practice. So if you are on the home page, I want you to click alt text practice. Your page will look different than mine because we've been making adjustments. So if I'm back here, it talks about, I have tabs of why we use alt text and examples and the practice. So I want you to read through these about alt text, but I'll show you right now how to do it in Experience Cloud. Is very easy. This is something you should always do because it's one of the easiest things you can do to make a difference. So in Experience Cloud, I'm going to go on the top right where I go back to Builder right here. Then I can see the components as I move around. And if I were to put an image in here, so you can see this here, I'm going to click on this image. See, let me try that again. I'll show you. I went to this component, it says Rich Content Editor. I click on it. I can see something here that allows me to edit it. Then it opens up this panel above it. And then I'm going to click on the image I uploaded and see how it goes into a light blue. That means I've selected it. I'm going to right click on my mouse and right there, the easiest thing in the world is add alt text. So you will add whatever alt text that you come up with here after reading about what I wrote. And I am going to put some alt text that is probably not accurate, but I'm just going to show you how to do it. People at a fire. This is bad alt text, so don't follow that direction, but this is how you add it, and then you hit add, and that's it. Now, that means when a screen reader is over, it will say image, and then it'll read what it is, and it's automatically applied. And here's another one. If you want to try on this bigger image, I'm going to click it, and then I can add alt text, and then I would write the description there. So that is all this is telling you to do. If you were to use, let me find an HTML component. So the top left, if you had an HTML component on your page right here, this is written in code. And you just have to make sure that if you are doing it and you know how to use HTML, you put an alt tag for the image. And if you have a developer doing it, you let them know that you want to use an alt tag and how, and give them the alt text that you would use for that. So if you go over here in my last one, this is where the practice is that I just went through. And this is, again, something you should do in every website you're on. It's one of the easiest things and it makes the most impact.